Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Craig from Lovindisworld, and today I'm at Bay Lake Tower, which is a Disney Vacation Club resort located right outside, within steps of Disney's Magic Kingdom. This is a great resort, so today I thought I'd come over and give you a tour of a one-bedroom standard view room. Now, there are a couple different room types here at Bay Lake Tower. You have a studio, a one-bedroom, a two-bedroom, and of course the Grand Villa, which is a three-bedroom, two-story room. It's incredible. Along with the room types, they have different views. They have a standard view room, which we'll get to see basically a parking lot or some of the grounds, potentially the tennis courts. That would be a standard view. In addition to standard, they have a lake view room, which you're overlooking the pool area, maybe the courtyard, and of course, Bay Lake. So that's what a lake view room consists of. And then lastly, they have the breadwinner, which is the view of the Magic Kingdom. It's called a theme park view. So you see Space Mountain, the castle, which is really nice when you have the fireworks going because you can see the fireworks. And they even have a channel that you can basically tune into so you can hear the music while you watch the fireworks. You don't even have to leave your room or even your balcony, which is just incredible. But today we're going to see that one bedroom standard. So we're going to take you in, give you a tour of it. Hope you enjoy. Let's go check it out. So you'll notice basically on every floor, every couple of rooms, they have these lookout areas, which just provides, great views. This particular one is one of the courtyard. You can see Bay Lake in the distance, of course, the boat that goes back and forth between basically the Contemporary, Fort Wilderness, and of course the Wilderness Lodge. Another cool feature of this resort is this carpet itself. It's really, really pretty. It got hidden Mickeys throughout. I love the color scheme. It is just a beautiful, beautiful resort. All right, so when you first walk in, you see this nice piece of artwork. It's kind of a contemporary version of Mickey. It's really nice. And then if you go over to this corner, they have a closet. So you open up the closet, and it's basically for anybody that's going to be out in the living room. It's like their closet. It's actually a very nice size closet. The only negative is that there are no hangers provided in this closet. The next great aspect of this room is something that not many of the one bedrooms have, and that is a second bathroom. Basically, Bay Lake Tower and Disney's Kidani Village, not Jumbo House, Kidani Village, is the only two one-bedroom resorts on property that has a second bathroom. So as you can see, it's actually a full bathroom. You have a sink, you have a awesome shower, of course you have your toilet, but it's very nice to have that second bathroom, especially if you're traveling with more than two adults or even, more than two kids. So you can have people getting ready at more than one time, which is a really, really good selling point. And just behind the bathroom is another closet. You open that up, and as you can see, that is where they have a washer and dryer unit, which is really nice because unlike the studios, where you actually have to go to a laundry area to do your laundry, here you can do it in your own room, which is fantastic. That's a huge selling point, especially if you don't want to pack a lot, you want to do some laundry while you're on vacation. If not, just pack more than enough and you don't have to worry about it. And this opens up to this huge living room. They have this great seating area where you can eat your dinner if you want to make food here in the room, or if you want to pick something up at, say, the Contempo Cafe and bring it back to eat. It's really nice. They got these awesome pictures of Space Mountain above your eating area. I mean, those are just beautiful. I love those. I'd like to actually have those in my own home. And of course, huge TV, which my son is watching Puppy Dog Pals on. Now this room actually will comfortably sleep 5 individuals. The blue chair directly in front of me actually pulls out to be a sleeper chair. I'll show you the sleeper sofa in a minute. They have this awesome island in the middle of your kitchen. You can sit at, have some coffee, have your morning breakfast. And then of course, here is the kitchen. And this is a beautiful kitchen. I mean, they spared no expense. It's absolutely beautiful. You have your oven, you have a microwave, you have a dishwasher, of course your sink if you want to do manual dishwashing, and of course this stainless steel refrigerator, which it is a large fridge. And then of course, if you look inside every cabinet, they actually have glasses, they have wine glasses, basically any type of glass that you want, you are gonna find. Down here on the counter, they have a toaster, a coffee maker. Let's open up this cabinet here. And here you have your plates, coffee mugs, more plates and bowls if you want some cereal for breakfast. Pan around here again. And here is the sleeper sofa. And it actually pulls out to be, I think, a queen size bed, which is really nice. Once again, another contemporary piece of artwork above, which we will take a look at here in a moment. In here, these drawers.
Don't worry, I'll get it.
Thank you, Connor. They have knives, forks, spoons.
And yeah, I'll get the next one.
No, you're okay, Connor. We're gonna go look at this artwork. All right, so as I mentioned, over here is this great piece of artwork. Here they have, you can see the contemporary, it has the monorail track, and it also has Bay Lake Tower. Once again, another contemporary piece of art. Is really nice and just gives that room an added touch.
And Daddy?
And then of course there's the sleeper bed. Let's see what the view is from the... So this is the view from the main living room. So this is a standard view room, but we were fortunate enough to get a nice view of Bay Lake. Of course, the tennis courts, which is what you would normally see. And if I pan over here, you can see Space Mountain. Just above the tree is Cinderella's castle, but we can't see that. And you can also see the construction for where Tron's going in. Once again, I am blown away by the size of that television. That is a large TV for this room. And then of course they have below the TV, they have these drawers for storage space for anybody that might actually be sleeping out in the living room. So once again, if you're traveling with more than one adult, it's nice that they have their own space, which, I mean, that's great. And then over here, they actually have a door that leads to the outside patio, or I'm gonna call it deck, but we'll say a patio, which I'll show you also from the master that you can get out that way, and we'll go out and take a look. All right, so from the living room, we'll actually head into the master bedroom and the master bath. So they have a door that closes for privacy from the bedroom portion to the living room. And when you first come into this room, we'll go to the left here. You pan to the left, you have a king size bed and a lot of storage area. Once again, have a TV off to your left with plenty of drawer space. And then of course, that gorgeous view. Now, this room here doesn't have the greatest view, but once again, it is only a standard and it is the cheapest points. So you really can't complain too much, but it's still a pretty interesting view. Like the fact that we do get to see Bay Lake, which is nice. So let's go out here and we'll take a look. So first thing notice out here is a very large balcony. It's a nice size. Like they have 2 chairs here and definitely a lot of room. But this is what I like. Like even though we're kind of overlooking like the laundry facilities, you can still see the monorail track. You can still see Space Mountain. You can see obviously it's construction for Tron. If they were doing fireworks, I would think you'd have a pretty good view of the fireworks, but unfortunately they're not doing those at the moment. You know, maybe tonight when they start doing the projections, because I know they started doing fireworks that kind of go off, just a little firework display that goes off when they change projections on the castle. And then of course a view of Bay Lake, which is just a massive lake. Yeah, so that is a standard view room. Now, once again, not all of them are going to be that great, especially if, you know, you're be on the floor below this, you're not even going to see Space Mountain or anything. But, you know, when you're this close to the Magic Kingdom, literally, it is a 10-minute walk at most. And of course, you can sit there and watch the monorails go by, which is great. You can't really complain too much about the view, especially for a standard. All right, so we'll go back inside. Back inside the 1-bedroom here. Once again, plenty of drawer storage space. You got the 4 here, and even this little seating area, or you know, you put your luggage on top of that, has a drawer in it as well for added space, which is really nice. I mean, you have plenty of space. All right, so behind this door would be the master closet. I'll open it up. Please keep in mind we do have our clothes in there because we've moved in. But yes, as you can see, it's a whole pretty large closet. It can fit a lot, which is a good thing. And lastly, that leads us to the good old master bath. So they have a kind of a jet whirlpool tub over here to the left, which, I mean, that's really nice. After a long day, you can come in here and soak in that. You have this, once again, contemporary piece of artwork of Cinderella's castle. Huge bathroom. Plenty of space to store your stuff, plenty of counter space. And then off to the right, they have the separate toilet and shower, which I'll take you over. Look at this. Now, what's crazy about this shower is you can almost have a party in there. It has a seating bench, which is crazy. And then one of my personal favorite aspects, the rain shower head. So you can actually get rained on and have the normal shower come out of there at the same time. But that is a huge shower. So Bay Lake Tower just always will be probably one of our favorite resorts. It is our home resort, but you just can't beat the proximity to the parks and ease of getting around. So we just really love this room. We don't mind having a standard view room over say a lake view or a Magic Kingdom view, because the extra points just really, in our opinion, it's not needed. Just being able to be in this room is incredible.
Hello everybody, this is Connor's tour. I'm going to show you around this big house. This is where you see Splash Mountain. These are like kind of silly art, and this is a huge TV. 100% big.
So that about wraps up today's tour of the 1-bedroom standard view room here at Bay Lake Tower. As I was mentioned while doing the video, we love Bay Lake Tower. It is our home resort. It is probably our favorite resort. Now, it doesn't have the same Disney theming like some of the other resorts may have, but you cannot beat the proximity to the Magic Kingdom. It is so nice being able just to walk over there or even watch the fireworks when they're happening from this resort and not have to fight the crowds to get back. For us personally, you know, the view isn't a huge deal breaker because it is a pretty dramatic point savings between a standard and say a theme park view. And you always have the luxury to walk out on, they have a connecting skywalk on the 5th floor between Bay Lake Tower and the Contemporary, and you can watch the fireworks from there if you want. You know, if you want to splurge and have a theme park view, you're not going to be disappointed to be able to watch fireworks or just wake up and have your morning coffee out on the patio and just take in the sights and sounds of the Magic Kingdom. You know, see the boats going by, the monorails going by. You just can't beat it. So we love this resort. The 1-bedroom, it's just a fantastic 1-bedroom. In our opinion, the only rival to it in terms of the 1-bedroom in size, space, and amenities would probably be Kidani Village, but Bay Lake Tower is a lot closer to the action than Kidani Village. Either way, like most Disney resorts, you can't go wrong with any of them. But we hope that you liked this video today and you would consider staying at Bay Lake Tower. We love it. We're sure you would as well. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and of course, be on the lookout for new content. And we'll keep showing you why we are Lovindisworld.
I love Bay Lake Tower.
Me too, buddy. Are you glad we stayed here?
Yeah. And bye-bye, everybody. You will see us next time. Bye-bye of more Disney World. Watch some more channels later. Bye-bye.